reducing heat stress and enhancing air quality with modern KGY air circulation fans. Air circulation fans are vital ventilation components designed to maintain consistent temperature and humidity throughout space, especially in areas where personnel are present. In environments such as greenhouses, poultry and livestock facilities, gyms, retail stores, warehouses, workshops, and production halls, elevated placement of heating and cooling systems often lead to thermal stratification and stagnant dead zones. Installing circulation fans on the ceiling creates a steady horizontal airflow, ensuring uniform air movement from floor to ceiling. This not only eliminates hot and cold spots, but can also lower overall energy consumption by up to 25%. The lightweight modern KGY air circulation fans are engineered for maximum performance. Their advanced aerodynamic design delivers strong, even airflow, while integrated radial guide vanes accelerate and direct air efficiently. This ensures dependable operation across a wide range of applications, from greenhouses to demanding industrial settings. KGY air circulation fans are available in 21-inch and 25-inch diameters, in single-phase or three-phase models, with airflow capacities ranging from 4,100 to 7,000 CFM. Key features of KGY air circulation fans: precision engineered design for quiet, vibration-free operation without airflow loss. High-quality direct drive motor for maximum efficiency and reliability. Energy efficient, durable construction with a sleek, modern design. Galvanized steel housing with baked powder coated finish for superior corrosion resistance. Quick and easy installation with minimal setup time. Integrated fan guard for enhanced operational safety. Adjustable hanging hook for flexible mounting height and angle. Effective air throw distance of 50 to 70 meters for deep, uniform distribution. Approximate service life of 12 years with consistent long-term performance, backed by a 2-year warranty and 10 years of after-sales support. For more information or to request expert consultation, please contact the KGY Sales Engineering team. We've got you covered.